Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Chris.
And this is Tahara.
And today we just got a quick video showing how we upcycled this old vanity stool. In order to get started, the first thing we needed to do was remove the cushion from the base. And in order to do that, there were 4 screws in the back that connected the cushion to the feet, so we just had to remove those 4 screws.
The next thing we had to do was put painter's tape on the mirror so we can protect it before spray painting. The next thing we did was go outside and spray paint the base of the stool. While the stool was drying outside, we came back in to work on the cushion of the stool. For the fabric, we decided to go with the dashiki that we found at the thrift store. We made sure that we cut out enough fabric so that we can secure it to the back of the cushion with the staple gun. The last thing we had to do was put the stool back together.
And there you have it. This is our final product. Make sure you guys let us know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.